If you want smoother transitions in discussions, try this phrase: with respect to. With respect to. It simply means regarding or about. For example, with respect to the budget, several adjustments are necessary. Instead of saying about the budget, say with respect to the budget. Notice how structured that sounds. Another example: with respect to the customer feedback, improvements have already been implemented. This phrase is common in academic writing and business meetings. So, from today, start using with respect to and make your communication more polished. More expressions coming next.